Hi everyone, myself Chetna and I am from Ginger Dog Boarding and Grooming. I run a dog business since last 6 years in Gurgaon. We are located in Sector 45. So here I'm here, as you all know, that I run a dog boarding, which is completely a home base. So we and dog all stay together under one roof. So I'm here just to introduce you to a very new product which I've been using since last 2 years, and it is completely tried and tested by me because I'm a boarder also and a pet parent also. And personally, I believe that every pet parent should have this product in their house. The reason being that our pet, they pee anywhere in the house. If they're a puppy, even if they're not puppy, if they vomit, if they do some loose motion, then what we do is we take a wet cloth, we wipe the floor. The After that, it leaves a very bad smell in our house. So this was the challenge which I used to have initially when I started this boarding thing for the dog. Then I got to know about this product which is named as Pillowzob. So I've been using it since last 2 years now. So what this does is, I'll just show you the example, give you the example also, and just show you how it works. So what we need to do is that we just have to spread over the wet area where the dog has peed or vomited. So we just have to spread it over, and then after it dries up, so as soon as we spread it, it leaves a good fragrance and absorb the moisture. So as soon as this dried up, you just have to take a broom and a dustpan, throw it away, wipe it and throw it away. So this is how it works. It's very easy to use, and personally it's very effective. I'll just show you the example, just a sec. So this is my dog, Pihu. Say hi, Pihu. Okay, anyways. So for example, she has peed here. So this is the water we can see here. So now what we'll do is, we'll take this Spillozob. It's very handy also. See the bottle. And then we spread it over. See, we spread it over like this. It is absorbing all the moisture, and it is also leaving a very nice smell. So it's all done. So as soon as it dries up, you just don't have to do anything. As soon as it dries up, you just have to take a broom and a dustpan, just throw it away. So this is how it works. It's so easy to use. So I would suggest everyone to have this. If you want to order it, please call me at 997 111 6911. We are the distributor for this product in Delhi NCR. Thank you so much for watching. Waiting for your call. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.